Hello students, we were doing application of derivatives. Today we are going to start next topic, increasing and decreasing functions. First question is f of x is minus x square minus 2x plus 15. We have to find the intervals in which the function is increasing or decreasing. First step we will have to do is take the derivative. Derivative of minus x square, derivative of minus 2x. Now after that put this derivative equal to 0. So what we get? X as minus 1. Now the interval minus infinity to infinity minus 1. Now we have to check whether the function is increasing or decreasing. Sign of f dash x, then nature of function. Now, first interval is minus infinity to minus 1 and the next interval is minus 1 to infinity. Minus infinity to minus 1, take any number between this, let it be minus 2. Put this value in f dash x. Negative minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, minus minus plus. Minus 1 to infinity, let the number is 0. 0 plus 1, positive and negative outside. So if the sign of f dash x is positive, it means the function is increasing function. And if it is negative, then the function is decreasing function. So we can say that f of x is increasing, this is sign for increasing, in minus infinity to minus 1, this is sign for decreasing, and decreasing in minus 1 to infinity. Function is increasing in minus 1 to infinity to minus 1 and decreasing in minus 1 to infinity. Note it down. Now the next question. Question number 2, we have to again find the intervals in which the function is increasing and decreasing. F of x is 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 15. First take the derivative. Derivative of 2x cube, 2 into 3, 6x square, 18x plus 12. Now put this derivative equal to 0. Take 3 common. 3 into 2, 3 into 6 and 3 into 4. We can take 6 common also. So take 6 common here. 6 into 3, 6 into 2. So we get x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Now factorize. On multiplication we want the term 2 and on adding on subtracting minus 3. So minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 and minus 2 minus 1, when we add it then we get minus 3. Negative common. So the factors are x minus 2, x minus 1 equals to 0. Either first factor is equals to 0 or second. So we get x2 and x1. 1 and 2. Now between minus infinity to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to infinity. We have to check. Minus infinity to 1. Let the number be 0. Put this value here. 6 into 0 minus 2, negative. 0 minus 1, negative. So negative and negative. क्या बन गया? Positive. Between 1 to 2, let the number be 1.5. Let the number be 1.5. 1.5 minus 2, negative. And this positive. So number will be, sign will be negative. Now 2 to infinity, let the number as 3. 3 minus 2, positive. 3 minus 1, positive. So for positive, function is increasing. For negative, the function is decreasing. And again for positive, function is increasing. So what it means? F of x is increasing in function is increasing in minus infinity to 1 union 2 to infinity. दोनों intervals में function increase कर रहा है. Therefore, we have taken union sign here. And f of x is decreasing in 1 to 2. Is it clear? Note it down. Now the next one. Question number 3. Function given is, find the interval in which the function 2x cube plus 9x square plus 12x plus 20 is increasing and decreasing. First find the derivative. Derivative of 2x cube. 9 into 2, 12. Take 6 common. Now put this derivative equal to 0. On multiplication, we want the term plus 2, and on adding and subtracting plus 3. So 2x plus x. Take x common, x plus 2 plus x plus 2. So we get the factors as x plus 1 and x plus 2. Product of two factors is 0. It means either one of the factor is 0 or the other. So we get x as minus 1 and minus 2. X is minus 2 and minus 1. So we have to check the function in the interval minus infinity to minus 2, minus 2 to minus 1 and minus 1 to infinity. Let us take any number between minus 2 to minus infinity. Let it be minus 3. Put this value minus 3 plus 1, minus 3 plus 2. Between minus 2 to minus 1, let it be minus 1.5. Minus 1.5. So plus here. Minus 1 to infinity, let the number be 0. 0 plus 1 and 0 plus 2. Positive, it means function is increasing. Negative means decreasing. And again positive, increasing. So what it means? F of x is increasing in minus infinity to minus 2 union minus 1 to infinity, and f of x is decreasing in minus 2 to minus 1. Note it down. Now the next question. Question number 4. Find the interval in which the function f of x plus 1 cube, x minus 3 cube is increasing or decreasing. So factorize. First we have to take derivative. First function as it is. Derivative of second. Derivative of x is 1, 3 is 0. Plus second as it is. Derivative of first. Now we can take x plus 1 square and x minus 3 square and 3 common. So we have left with here x plus 1 plus x minus 3. So if we get, what we get? 2x minus 2. So 3x plus 1 square, x minus 3 square and 2x minus 2. Take 2 common. By taking 2 common, here we have left with x minus 1. Now we get, put this derivative equals to 0. So we will get x as minus 1, 3 and 1. X is minus 1, 1 and 3. Now check between minus infinity to minus 1, minus 1 to 1, 1 to 3 and 3 to infinity. Minus infinity to minus 1, take the number as minus 2. Whole square will always positive. So two signs will positive here. Now we will have to check only the sign of this x minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1. Between minus 1 to 1, let the number as 0. 0 minus 1 negative here. Whole square will always be positive. 1 to 3, let the number as 2. 2 minus 1 positive. Whole square will always positive. 3 to infinity, let the number as 4. 4 minus 1 positive. So decreasing for negative and increasing for positive. Therefore, f of x is increasing in 1 to 3 union 3 to infinity. And function is decreasing in minus infinity to minus 1 union minus 1 to 1. Note it down. Is it clear? Let us move to the next one. Question number 5. Function f of x is equals to x minus 1 whole cube and x minus 2 square. Find the intervals in which the function is increasing or decreasing. Take the derivative. First function as it is, derivative of second plus second as it is, derivative of first. Now x minus 1 whole square and x minus 2 is common. Here we have left with 2 into x minus 1 and 3 into x minus 2. Clear? Now open the brackets here. X minus 1 square, x minus 2, 2x minus 2 plus 3x minus 6, 5x minus 8. X minus 2, x minus 1 whole square. Take this derivative equal to 0. 1 by 1, all the factors will be equal to 0. So we get x as 1, 2 and 8 by 5. Draw these points on the number line. 1, 2. 8 by 5 is 1.6. Now, we have to check for minus infinity to 1, 1 to 8 by 5, 8 by 5 to 2 and 2 to infinity. Minus infinity to 1, take any number between minus infinity to 1. Let the number as 0. Whole square will be positive. 0 minus 2, 0 minus 8, negative. So positive here. 1 to 1.6, let the number as 1.2. Whole square positive. 1.2 minus 2. 1.2 into 5, 6. 6 minus 8, negative again. 1.6 to 2, let the number be 1.8. Whole square positive. 1.8 minus 2, 18 into 5, 90. So 9 minus 8 will be positive. 2 to infinity, let the number as 4. Whole square positive. 4 minus 2, 5 into 4, 20 minus 8. So positive. So हमारे पास क्या आया? Positive means function is increasing, decreasing here and again increasing here. Therefore, f of x is increasing in minus infinity to 1, union 1 to 8 by 5, union 2 to infinity. And the function is decreasing in 8 by 5 to 2. Note it down. Now the next question. Find the intervals in which the function x4 minus x cubed by 3 is increasing or decreasing. Take the derivative. Derivative of x4 minus 3x square upon 3. Take x common. 4x square minus x. We can take x square common from here. 4x minus 1. Now f dash x is equals to 0. So what we get? Either x is equals to 0 or x is equals to 1 by 4. Minus infinity to infinity. 0 and 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 0.25. Between minus infinity to 0, let the number as minus 1. Now we will have to check for minus infinity to 0, 0 to 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 to infinity. Minus infinity to 0, minus 1. Whole square will be positive. Minus 4 minus 1, negative. Negative means function is decreasing. 0 to 1 by 4. 0 to 0.25. Let the number as 0.2. 0.2 into 4. 0.8 minus 1. So negative whole square will be positive. Again the function is decreasing. Now 0.25 to infinity. Let the number as 2. 8 minus 1. So positive function is increasing. So what we get? F of x is increasing in 1 by 4 to infinity and decreasing in minus infinity to 0 union 0 to 1 by 4. Note it down. Now the next question. Find the intervals in which the function is increasing or decreasing. Function given is log of 1 plus x minus 2x upon 2 plus x. Now f of x will be defined for all x. Plus 1 greater than 0. अगर x plus 1 is equals to 0, that means x is equals to minus 1. Then here we will get log of 0. Therefore, the function's value should be greater than, x is greater than minus 1. Now take the derivative. Derivative of log. अगर x minus 1 होता है तो यहाँ पे 1 minus 1, 1 upon 0 infinity. So function will not be defined. Therefore x should be greater than minus 1. Derivative of this 2 is common. X plus 2 whole square. U dash v. 2 plus x as it is. Derivative of x is 1. Minus derivative x as it is. Derivative of 2 is 0. X is 1. So 1 upon 1 plus x minus 2. X will get cancelled. 2 upon x plus 2 square. So 1 upon 1 plus x minus 4 upon x plus 2 whole square. Now take the LCM here. X plus 1, x plus 2 whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4x minus 4. So here we have left with x square upon x plus 2 whole square 1 upon x plus 1. Put this f dash x is equals to 0. X upon x plus 2 whole square 1 upon x plus 1 0. From here we get x 0 and x should be greater than minus 1, so 1x is minus 1. Now check for the intervals minus infinity to minus 1, minus 1 to 0, 0 to infinity. Minus infinity to minus 1 whole square will always be positive. Let the number be minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1. Negative here. Negative means function is decreasing. Minus 1 to 0. 0.5 plus 1. Whole square is positive. Positive means function is increasing. 0 to infinity. Let the number as 2. Whole square positive. And this number is also positive. So we can say that f of x is increasing in minus 1 to 0 union 0 to infinity, and f of x is decreasing in minus infinity to minus 1. Note it down. Now the next question.